It's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle and Bailey. And we are here for the pink and white Tablescape Mother's Day brunch tablescape. Our host is All Things Home on a Budget. Please check out our amazing channel and the playlist for all kinds of Mother's Day tablescape brunch ideas. And even Bailey's in pink and white. Look at that. I hope you enjoy my tablescape. I also added a hint of black because I like black and pink together. That's one of my things I like to decorate with black and pink quite a bit. So I added black to my tablescape. Hope you enjoy it. I made this tablescape for those of moms that are just like me. They're dog moms. With a little sign that says, I just want to be a stay-at-home dog mom. So this tablescape is dedicated to all those moms that are just dog moms. Because you do a big job too. I have 4. I have 2 Yorkies and 2 Dachshunds that are blind. And they're still here with me. Okay, this is our black and pink tablescape. Here's what we have and where I found it. The napkins are Amazon. The napkin holders are Temu. The tablecloth, table runner are also Amazon. The plate was thrifted. I found that at the Goodwill. This plate was at home. And I just found these. They were on sale at Hobby Lobby. They were on a clearance, which I thought they were really, really pretty. And these I had for a couple years. I found those on clearance after summer a few years ago at Hobby Lobby. And the candles, they were from Amazon, same way with the candle holders. This picture was from Michael's. The sign, I just want to be a stay-at-home dog mom, that was from the Big Lots, which they're no longer with us. I hope they come back. And this, I'm not sure where I found it. I've had it for a few years. It's a little Yorkie, and if you know me, I'm a dog mom, so I did a pink and black dog mom tablescape. Oh, the silverware was Amazon as well. I think I got everything. Tell me what you think.